Hello guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use free data whilst your airplane mode is on. And this tutorial is actually for my Android users. Yes, this tutorial is for my Android users. So let's get started. Now you open your phone app, then you dial this code. Yes, after you dial this code, this is what you are going to get. Now let's go to where our data connection is. Now let's switch on our data connection. Yes, and then turn on our airplane mode. Yes, when you turn on our airplane mode, our mobile radio power is going to go off. Now let's switch it back on. Yes, after you switch it back on, just wait for some seconds here. Now you see our data connection is on, whilst our airplane mode is also on. So this is actually used when you have limited data on your phone. Now let's try using our data connection to search something on the internet. Yes, let's try searching something. Yes, let's try searching, maybe let's say Elon Musk. You see, our data connection is working. Yes, so this tutorial is actually for my Android users. Yes, for my Android users. Thank you guys. So I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel after watching this video. Thank you. We'll be getting more videos like this. Thank you all.